Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start with chapter 8 more on TuxPaint part 4. In this video we are going to do a practical using TuxPaint. We will learn to use stamp tool, save tool, open tool and quit tool. So let's begin the practical session. Children, this is the TuxPaint main screen. First we will see stamp tool. Do you know children? The stamp tool contains a collection of ready-made pictures. You can insert them in your drawing. The stamps are divided into different categories like animals, people, fruits, vegetables, etc. To use stamp tool, click the stamp tool in the toolbar. This is the toolbar. All of you know this is the toolbar, and click on the stamp tool. This is the stamp tool, children. Click on the stamp tool. Click the stamp you want to use. I will select this stamp. Now move the pointer on the drawing canvas. This is the drawing canvas, and move the pointer on the drawing canvas. An outline of the selected stamp is shown in the drawing canvas. Adjust the size of the stamp from the size control at the bottom of the selector. This is the size control. From here you can increase the size. Click a location in the drawing canvas to insert the stamp. I will select this location. In this way children, you can use stamp tool in TuxPaint. Now let us know children how to save picture in TuxPaint. The save tool is used to save your current picture. You can open a saved pictures later to view or edit it. To save a picture, first click the save tool in the toolbar. This is the toolbar children, and click on the save tool. This is the save tool. Click on the save tool. Your picture is saved in the list of saved images. Your image has been saved. Now let us know about the open tool. The open tool is used to open a saved picture. To open a saved picture, click the open tool in the toolbar. This is the toolbar, and click on the open tool. This is the open tool. Click on this open tool. A dialog box appears which shows a list of all saved pictures. Now click the picture you want to open. I will select this picture. Now click the open button. This is the open button. Click on this open button. The selected picture appears on the main screen. You can see children, the selected picture appears on the main screen. Now let us know about the quit tool. What is the use of quit tool? The quit tool is used to close TuxPaint. When you click quit tool, TuxPaint prompts you to save your picture. If it is not saved, this is the toolbar children. Click on this toolbar, and this is the quit tool. Click on this quit tool to close TuxPaint. I will click on this quit tool. A dialog box appeared. Do you really want to quit? Yes. In this way children, you can use quit tool in TuxPaint. Now it's all for today. I hope all of you understood stamp tool, open tool, save tool and quit tool in TuxPaint. With this we comes to the end of the topic. Bye bye.